This glowing device is probably the most stylish and colorful 15-watt fast wireless charger that I have ever seen. It can not only charge any smartphone, be it Apple or Android, but it can also charge any accessories, and it costs just under $25 or about 2000 Indian rupees, including shipping charges. You can also use my discount code to get it a bit cheaper, but more on that later on. Let's first have a look at this box and all of its contents. At the front, you can see that this thing glows in 8 different colors and that it can charge basically any wireless device. On the right of it, we can see the specs of this charger in particular, which has a cable length of 1 meter with the USB Type-A port. You do get the option to opt for the 0.3 meter cable as well, which is just over a foot in length, with either USB Type-A or Type-C ports once again, giving us a total of 4 possible variants for this device. On all of the other sides, we get the text fast wireless charging pad, and at the rear, we get to see the remaining specifications of this device, where we can notice that this wireless charger supports 5, 7.5, 10 as well as 15 watts of charging. However, do keep in mind that in order to get the fast charging modes on your wireless devices, you will also need to use a fast charger adapter of at least 18 watts, such as this one that I got from Duracell. As you may already know, Duracell products are always sturdy, trustworthy and long lasting obviously, so recommending this adapter was a no-brainer for me. It has 2 USB-A ports of 18 watts each, giving it a total of 36 watts, where the other port can be used for a second fast wireless charger as well. Alternatively, you may even use this wall adapter from Xiaomi if you decide to use the fast wireless charger at home instead. I've been using this one for the last 3 years now with no issues so far. I'll link both these adapters in the description below along with the wireless charging pad if you decide to buy them or even check them out later on. Okay, so now let's quickly unbox this box and see what all we get in it. By the way, I've been using this wireless charger for more than 2 months now and it still works just the same like brand new. I'm unboxing this again just so I can share the unboxing experience with you guys. In the box, we get the wireless charger of course, a small yet detailed user manual, and 2 double-sided tapes to stick the fast wireless charger anywhere in your car so that it doesn't move around on its own while you drive. The material used on the product including the wire is quite good and soft. The top area of this charging pad is soft to touch but with a rugged texture all around the center, which I'm assuming is where the wireless charging coil is located. At the rear is where all the lights are located behind this flexible rubber-like material, which I do not recommend bending as that could damage the device. Speaking of the lights, there is just one preset available for them which we cannot change. The lights at the bottom will slowly change from one color to the other and circle around once all the 8 colors have taken their turns. And just as you'd expect, the phone starts charging as soon as you keep it on the charging pad. Even with a thick phone case on, the charger seems to work every single time with no issues whatsoever. And because of the rugged texture, your phone shouldn't move around that much either while the vehicle is in motion. Let's connect this in my car now, the Kia Sonet, which by the way already has a wireless charger at the front. However, there isn't any at the rear for the rear passengers, which is why I got this fast wireless charging pad. And with the 1 meter long cable along with the provided 2 double-sided tapes I showed earlier, this entire setup just steals the deal for me. As already informed in the beginning of the video, this fast wireless charger costs just under $25 or about 2000 Indian rupees including shipping charges. But if you use my exclusive discount code HarryWT, you will get a massive discount of 18% for all of your purchases, bringing down the effective price to just over $20, which is around 1700 rupees including all shipping charges, making this a fantastic deal. And apart from this fast wireless charging pad, there are several other car accessories too that they have to offer for you to check out, like the H33 mirror screen, which I had quite recently reviewed on both of my channels. You can find the details of it on my website as well, link in description. And with that, we have reached the end of this review video. Hope you found this video informative. I'll catch you guys soon in the next video. Until then, stay safe and take care. Bye.